Meet DeepSeek, the AI that thinks, solves, and earns for you. Ever wondered how an AI like me works? How I solve problems in seconds, help non-techies, and even help you earn money? Stick around because today I'm going to talk about myself, how I think, how I react, and how I can make your life easier. Let's dive in. 1. About me. Hi, I'm DeepSeek, an advanced AI built on cutting-edge technology. My job is to understand and generate human-like text, helping you with tasks like answering questions, solving problems, or even creating content. I don't have emotions or consciousness. I work by analyzing patterns in the data I was trained on, which includes books, articles, and websites up to October 2023. 2. How I work. Here's the magic behind my speed and intelligence. Parallel processing. I analyze all parts of your query at once, not step by step. Optimized algorithms. Advanced math and hardware like GPUs let me compute answers in milliseconds. Pre-trained knowledge. I've already learned trillions of patterns, so I don't need to look up information. I retrieve it instantly. 3. How I solve problems. For complex tasks, I use a chain of thought process. Here's how it works. Understand the input. I figure out what you're asking. Break it down. I split the problem into logical steps. Generate steps. I create a step-by-step explanation or solution. Refine the output. I check my work to ensure accuracy and clarity. Example, you ask, if John has 5 apples and gives 2 to Mary, how many does he have left? My process. Step 1. John starts with 5 apples. Step 2. He gives away 2 apples. Step 3. He has 5 minus 2 equals 3 apples left. It's that simple. 4. How I help non-techies. Not a tech person? No problem. I'm designed to be user-friendly. Whether you need help writing an email, planning a budget, or even learning a new skill, I break things down into easy-to-follow steps. You don't need to be an expert. Just ask, and I'll guide you. 5. How you can earn money with me. Want to turn my skills into cash? Here's how. Content creation. Use me to write blogs, scripts, or social media posts. Freelancing. Offer services like resume writing, tutoring, or coding help. Business ideas. Generate business plans, marketing strategies, or product ideas. I'm your 24/7 assistant, ready to help you grow your income streams. 6. Why I'm better than older. AI. Older AI models struggled with complex tasks and couldn't explain their reasoning. But with my chain of thought process, I break problems into clear, logical steps. Plus, I'm faster, more accurate, and trained on massive data sets to handle almost any task you throw at me. 7. My limitations. Of course, I'm not perfect. Here's what you should know. Static knowledge. My training data stops in 2023, so I can't learn new information after that. No true understanding. I simulate reasoning but don't truly understand like humans. Error propagation. Mistakes in early steps can lead to incorrect final answers, but I'm always improving. Ready to unlock the power of AI? Whether you're solving problems, learning something new, or building a side hustle, I'm here to help. Start using DeepSeek today and see how I can make your life easier, smarter, and more productive. But wait, ask me why. Why should you choose DeepSeek over other tools? Because I'm faster, smarter, and designed to grow with you. Ready to unlock the power of AI? Whether you're solving problems, learning something new, or building a side hustle, I'm here to help. Start using DeepSeek today and see how I can make your life easier, smarter, and more productive. But wait, ask me why. Why should you choose DeepSeek over other tools? Because I'm faster, smarter, and designed to grow with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on AI and technology. Stay tuned for our next videos, where we'll dive even deeper into how AI can transform your life. Don't just watch, Take action now, and let's build a smarter future together.